Hello, everyone. A very good day to you all. My name is Pragya, and I do welcome everyone wholeheartedly to the new session, that is the Class 6 of Banking and Financial Awareness. So, we continue our classes in the form of MCQs, and we are preparing here for the upcoming exam being proposed by Indian Bank for the post of LBO, that is the post of Local Bank Officer. Okay, so great. Let us start now without wasting much time. These classes will be revolving around the banking and finance portion, of course. I have already told you guys. So yeah, let's dig into it. Let's see what the first question is saying. Our very first question of the day is an important one, and it is asking us the factor. What factor is expected to significantly impact banks' ability to sustain loan growth in the FY25 according to the CareEdge ratings? So we have to tell the name of the factor, which is the factor that is being expected to directly, okay, in an proposed manner, in an elaborated manner, impact the bank's ability to sustain further loan growth in the upcoming financial year of 2025. If we talk about the informations which are being provided by CareEdge ratings. Now, here it strikes the question, what is this CareEdge ratings? First thing, see, basically, it's not a very important thing to know, but still, CareEdge ratings is a credit rating agency. What is it? It is a credit rating agency that basically works in India. It provides ratings for a variety of industries and sectors, of course, both for the industries and sectors. See, they offer services such as credit ratings, analytics, consulting, and sustainability, so on. So yeah, we are now going to go through the options. First is saying decrease in the global uncertainties. B, reduction in the capital expenditure. C, growth in the liability franchise. Or D is saying it's reduction in the economic expansion. What is it? What are we supposed to answer? Let me repeat it again. We are supposed to answer the factor among these four options, which is being expected to significantly impact any bank's ability to sustain loan growth in the upcoming financial year 25, according to the CareEdge ratings. So, the correct option this time, my friends, it's option none other than, it's option C, that is growth in the liability franchise. Clear? Now, what is this liability franchise? What is it? See, it is being made by combining two words. Two different words are being combined here. First is liability, which we all know. Second is franchise. See, basically, what are liabilities? Liabilities are the debts or the obligations a person or company owes to someone else. Clear? Now, when it combines with this word of franchise and it comes out as a liability franchise, then these are referred to the legal responsibility and potential legal risk that an individual takes on when buying a new franchise. That's it about this question. Now we will be jumping to the next question. Okay, and next question is also an important one. Next question is asking, see, this question is asking about a new appointment. Who has been appointed as the Chief Information Security Officer of NPCI? NPCI's Chief Information Security Officer has been changed. New appointment is there. Who is he? Whether the name is option A, that is Vishwanath Krishnamurthy, Benjamin Ambrose, Pravin Kumar, or option D, that is none of the above. What is the correct option according to you guys? Anyone wants to answer this? Then we will be moving forward. For this question, I'm expecting you guys to answer. I'll be elaborating. I'll do the elaboratory part, but still, let me go through the correct answer. Okay, Amit Kumar is saying option B is correct. That is Benjamin Ambrose. Anyone else? Anyone else wants to answer? Okay, Praful is saying option A, that is Vishwanath. So, my dear friends, the correct option this time, it's option B. Okay, that is Benjamin Ambrose. Benjamin Ambrose has been appointed as the Chief Information Security Officer of NPCI, tasked with enhancing NPCI's information security measures and operations, both at the same time. Now, what is this NPCI? NPCI is the National Payments Corporation of India. National Payments Corporation of India. And what is it? It is a non-government organization that manages and creates both. Firstly, it manages payments and the settlement system. It works regarding the management of the settlement systems in India as well. And NPCI, it is a joint initiative between the RBI, that is the Reserve Bank of India, and IBA. What is IBA? IBA is the Indian Banks Association. Now, let me ask you guys, who is the current MD and CEO of NPCI? Maybe in the yesterday's session also we did discuss it. Okay, Sandeep Mishra is with option C. Who is the current MD and CEO of NPCI? If we talk about NPCI, anyone wants to answer? I'm all ears. I'm waiting for your reply. 5 seconds you are having. Anyone? Praful, Amit, Sandeep. Okay, yes. So Amit Kumar has answered. His name is Dilip Asbe. Great. MD and CEO of NPCI. His name is Mr. Dilip Asbe. And if you are asked, this has also come in form of a question. Who is the non-executive chairman of NPCI? Then the name would be Ajay Kumar Chaudhary. Clear? And the headquarters of NPCI are in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It was founded on 19th of December 2008. Clear? These all informations were about NPCI solely. Clear? Now, coming to the next question. Next question is asking, what role will Pravin Kumar serve at NPCI? Pravin Kumar has been appointed in NPCI. In the role, what is going to be his role? Whether he will be acting as the Chief Risk Officer, Chief Market Information Security Officer, Head of Compliance, of Chief Technology Officer. What is it? Yes, Praful is right, that the headquarters of NPCI are in Mumbai. Now, answer this one, Praful. What is the role of Pravin Kumar? He will be serving at the post of Amit is saying B. Anyone else? Okay. So, yes, Amit Kumar is correct. The correct answer this time is option B. That is Chief Market Information Security Officer. Praful is also correct. Pravin Kumar will be serving as the Chief Market Information Security Officer at NPCI, and he will manage. What will he be doing? He will manage information security and privacy risk. It will also ensure compliance with the regulatory standards. Okay. Yes. Market Information Security Officer. Yes, Praful, I got your answer. You were already saying option B. Now, coming to the next question. Next question is asking us, what was the reason behind the RBI's initial restrictions on the Bank of Baroda's BOB Word app? We have to answer the reason behind the RBI's initial restrictions on BOB Word app, whether it was poor user interface design, financial mismanagement, supervisory concerns which are related to mobile banking onboarding processes, or lack of customer demand. What is it? Firstly, I would love to get answers from you guys. Then we will be having a quite discussion about this whole thing which took place in between RBI's restrictions and BOB's BOB Word app. So Amit is saying option C. See, basically, friends, option C, that is supervisory concerns which are related to mobile banking onboarding processes. Okay. So basically, what happened? What was the whole scenario that got created? Reserve Bank of India, it restricted the Bank of Baroda's BOB mobile app. Okay. And the name is BOB word. We came to know in the question. In October month of 2023, firstly, this whole thing took place because of concerns about the bank's customer onboarding processes. Customer onboarding processes. And the RBI's concerns were about practices that could put customer information or bank security at risk. So this was the basic reason why RBI took initial restrictory actions against Bank of Baroda's BOB word. And RBI's actions included, firstly, it directed the bank to stop onboarding new customers. No new customers onboarding was allowed by RBI further. RBI required BOB, that is Bank of Baroda, to strengthen related processes and rectify deficiencies. The work of rectifying what is the sole thing that is going wrong. Thirdly, it also directed BOB to ensure that existing customers were not disrupted. Clear. And it's not in under any kind of restrictions still. BOB word app is not facing any further restrictions because the bank addressed the RBI's concerns with corrective actions, and the RBI lifted this ban on the app in May month of 2024. That is why this is an important question. Why? What is the basic reason? Because this case is something which started in the 2023 year and ended finally in the May month of 2024. So few have already answered. Amit Kumar is saying C, Praful C, Sandeep Mishra is saying option A. So the correct option this time, my friends, is option C. That is RBI imposed restrictions on BOB's BOB word app due to supervisory concerns which are observed in the bank's mobile banking onboarding processes, included inappropriate conduct by branch employees as well. I think this much information and questions are quite clear to everyone, and there is no kind of technical issue from my side. Next question is asking, what role was R. Lakshmikant Rao appointed to by the RBI in 2024? Whether he was supposed to be acting at the post of Chief Financial Officer, Executive Director, on the post of government or deputy government. Okay, pardon, it's governor or deputy governor. Anyone? Amit is saying option B. That is executive director, on the post of executive director. Harsh Raj is also with B. Now, okay, Amit is saying it's D. Okay. So yeah, the correct option this time it's option B. That is R. Lakshmikant Rao was appointed as the executive director of the RBI. Now he will oversee several crucial departments which included deposit insurance and credit guarantee corporation both at the same time. Next question is revolving around IRDAI. Now, before talking about this question particularly, let me ask you one thing which I skipped. First question of mine is regarding the previous questions. Who is the current MD and CEO of Bank of Baroda? Anyone of you knows the name of the current managing director and chief executive officer of BOB? I'll be telling you the headquarters of BOB. The headquarters of BOB are in Alkapuri, Vadodara, and it was founded on 20 July 1908. The tagline of BOB is India's International Bank. Now it's your turn to answer. Who is the current MD and CEO of Bank of Baroda? As soon you will be answering me, I will be moving forward and more number of questions we will be covering. So Harshad is saying Devdutt Chand. Yes. So the current MD and CEO's name is Devdutt Chand, my friends. Clear? Now, we will be talking about IRDAI. What is the primary goal of IRDAI's new mandate for insurers regarding Gram Panchayats? Whether it is to increase profits for insurance companies, ensure every Gram Panchayat is covered by insurance, reduce insurance premiums, or promote private investments in rural areas. Waiting for your answers. Till time, listen to this. What is IRDAI? IRDAI is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, and it is basically a statutory body that was formed under the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act of 1999. IRDAI's role is, friends, basically to regulate and develop, or develop and regulate the insurance sector in India and to protect the interest of the policyholders. The current chairman of IRDAI's name is Debashish Panda, and the headquarters are in Hyderabad. This much is the static part. I was also waiting for your answers. Anyone has answered? Okay, Praful is saying B, Sandeep B, Chetan is saying option B. So the correct option this time, yes, it's option B. That is, the primary goal of IRDAI's new mandate for insurers regarding Gram Panchayats is to ensure every Gram Panchayat is particularly covered by insurance. That's it for this question. Next question is also another segment of the previous one. Here we have to answer which entity received IRDAI's approval to acquire Reliance Capital, whether the name of that entity is Reliance Industries, Tata Sons, Hinduja Group's IndusInd International Holdings, or Adani Group. What is the name of that particular entity which received IRDAI's approval to acquire Reliance Capital? Anyone? Okay, so Amit is with option C. The correct option this time is option C, which is Hinduja Group's IndusInd International Holdings. Hinduja Group's it's IndusInd International Holdings. It received IRDAI's approval to acquire Reliance Capital. What does it indicate us? It indicates their active role in the significant financial acquisition. Next question. So, Sandeep, the correct answer for previous question was option C, my friend. Next question is asking, which initiative aims to help PSBs in India identify as a champion sector for focused development? Whether that initiative's name is Make in India, Viksit Bharat strategy, Startup India, or Digital India. What is the name of that particular initiative? Anyone knows? Answer me quickly, then only we will be moving forward now, friends. What is the name? So Amit is saying the correct option to be option B. Chetan is with option B as well. So the correct option this time, yes, it's Viksit Bharat strategy. Now, what is this Viksit Bharat strategy? This term that is Viksit Bharat, it basically means, we all know what does it mean? It means developed India. Simple. Okay. And Viksit Bharat 2047. The whole name is this, complete name is this, Viksit Bharat 2047. It represents our government's vision to transform the country. What to do? To transform the country into a developed entity by its 100th independence in the year of 2047. The 4 pillars on which this Viksit Bharat will be working proficiently. First is Yuva, that is the youth. Second is Garib, that is poor. Mahilaएं, of course, we all know women. And fourth is our Annadata, that is our farmers. So I guess it is clear to everyone what is Viksit Bharat strategy. And this Viksit Bharat strategy includes identifying a champion sector in PSB's business plans to enhance specific sector capabilities and expedite loan approvals as part of India's development goals by the 2026-27 year. Clear? Next question is asking the key component of the Viksit Bharat strategy of the PSBs, and additional question with the previous one. Whether the key component of Viksit Bharat strategy for the PSBs is the expansion into international markets, development of green energy projects, onboarding sector-specific advisors, and developing credit underwriting models, or increasing focus on retail banking services. What is it? What is the correct option for this one? No one knows? How can it be possible no one knows? Pandey? Okay, so Amit is saying option C. Chetan is saying option B. One more person I need to answer. Pandey is saying option C. So the correct option, yes, it's option C, my friends. That is onboarding sector-specific advisors and developing credit underwriting models. A significant part of the Viksit Bharat strategy involves PSBs onboarding sector-specific advisors and developing credit underwriting models to expedite loan approvals and to enhance sector-specific capabilities. So, Sandeep, you were also correct with this one. The correct option is option C. Next question is talking about IBBI. Firstly, let us talk about the static part of this one. What is IBBI? IBBI is the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. IBBI is the regulator that oversees insolvency proceedings and entities. The current chairman of IBBI's name is M.R. Kumar, and the founder is Government of India by the IBBI. Okay. Now, coming back to our question was simply asking us what change has the IBBI proposed regarding the response time for its corporate debtors to default confirmation. See, for any kind of default confirmations, there is a certain response time which is provided, and now IBBI has proposed a quite new change regarding this response time for the corporate debtors. Whether it has decreased to 7 days, maintain at 9 days, which means it was basically 9 days earlier also, increase to 21 days, or remove the response time limit entirely. What is it? Praful is saying C. Praful, okay, yes, increase to 21 days. Harsh is saying C. Amit is saying C. So the correct option is option C. That is increased to 21 days, which means that IBBI has proposed increasing the timeline for corporate debtors to respond to any default confirmations from 9 to 21 days. Why has it been done? It is an action which has been taken by IBBI just to ensure that the default information is authenticated and not challenged during insolvency proceedings. That's all for that particular question. Next question is asking, what is the primary role of information utilities in the insolvency process? Whether the work of IUs is to provide loans to insolvent companies, managing corporate assets during insolvency, offering high quality authenticated information about debt and default, or resolving disputes between creditors and debtors. What is it according to you guys? I'll be waiting for next 5 seconds for you guys to reply. Sandeep Mishra is saying that option A is the correct answer. Anyone else knows? Anyone? Amit is saying option C. So the correct option this time is option C, my friends. That is, the primary role of information utilities in the insolvency process is to offer high quality authenticated information about debt and default. So Harsh Raj is also with the correct option, that is option C for the previous question. So yes, Chetan is also correct. Praful. Next question is asking, The name of the public sector bank that contributed the highest profit in the financial year 24. What is the name of that PSB that has contributed the most, that has provided highest profit in the FY 24? Whether it is PNB, SBI, BOB or Canara Bank, what is it according to you? Anyone knows? Anyone? Okay, Amit is saying option B. So the correct option this time, yes, you guys are correct. It's option B. That is the State Bank of India. It has contributed over 40% of the total profit in the financial year 24, amounting to rupees 61,077 crores. Now, who is the current chairman of SBI? The current chairman of SBI is Mr. Challa Srinivasulu Shetty. The headquarters of State Bank of India are in Mumbai, and it was founded on 1st of July 1955. Now, please tell me, is this much information, is this much thing clear to everyone? Okay, so yes, Sohan, Pandey, AU, Praful, everyone was with option B, that is the State Bank of India. Friends, is this much thing clear to you? Anyone is having any kind of doubt? Yes, Amit is correct. His name is C.S. Shetty. Guys, are you having any kind of doubts? Any issue? Or should we move to the next question? Why am I asking this time? Because our class is moving on a continuous basis. If anyone wants to anything. Okay, great. It's clear, then it's a great thing. Next question we have to answer. What is, firstly, it is important. What strategy has the government implemented to turn around the performance of public sector banks? Government has undergone few new strategies. Why? To turn around the performance of the PSBs. Whether it is digital banking transformation, 4R strategy, that is recognizing NPAs, resolution, recapitalization, and reforms, whether it is increasing interest rates or expanding international operations. What is it? Anyone knows? The strategy that government has implemented to turn around the performance of PSBs. Waiting for your replies. Okay, no one knows. So the correct option for this one, it is the 4R strategy. See, what is this 4R? Okay, so now a number of you have answered. Praful has answered for 5 times. Praful, so excited with this question, but still you answered it correctly. It's option B. Chetan, Avantika, Amit, everyone is with option B. That is the 4R strategy. See, 4R strategy, what is it? It is basically the strategy of recognizing NPAs, its resolution, recapitalization, and further reforms. 4R strategy, you can call it a banking reform. A banking reform initiative, which is implemented by the Indian government to reduce the non-performing assets in the PSBs. First name is of recognizing NPAs. Okay. See, here the acknowledgement of the true extent of bad loans on bank books is the basic work which is being done. Second is the resolution and recovery. Here, it is supposed to find ways to recover money which is owed on bad loans, such as restructuring debt, selling assets, or taking legal actions. So this is the part of taking legal actions in a short manner. Third is recapitalization. Here, it is to provide fresh capital to PSBs to further strengthen their financial position and improve their ability to lend. This is the work of recapitalization. Fourth is the process of reforms, that is to make long-term improvements to the banking system to prevent any future bad loans, such as stricter loan approval processes, better risk management, and governance reforms. So this was the 4R strategy in short, which was taken by the government, implemented by the government to turn around the performance of PSBs, that is the public sector banks. I think this much is clear to everyone. And that's it for our today's session. Tomorrow, we will be starting with the new questions. And I guess everyone is getting comfortable with these sessions. So yeah, that's it for today. We will be meeting tomorrow, same time, same platform, same person. Till then, have a nice day. Study hard, work smart. Signing off, Pragya this side. A very good evening to you, everyone. Bye.